Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is the marvelous marble cake with a secret ingredient, which we will start out with right away. It's cream cheese. A regular marble cake doesn't call for this ingredient, but this is what makes this marble cake marvelous. Start by whisking together the butter and cream cheese until they are fully mixed before adding the white sugar. Mix it for a long time, making sure you take breaks to scrape down the sides back into the batter. It's so important to have the white sugar integrated completely with the cheese and the butter before moving on to the next step. Add the baking powder and salt to the all-purpose flour and mix well before beginning to add the flour gradually into the batter, spoon by spoon. When you are done mixing the eggs and flour into the batter, set the bowl aside and in a new bowl add the cocoa powder and milk and mix them together to make a paste. Take a quarter of the white batter and mix it in with the cocoa powder paste really well. Now you have two batters with two different colors. Put it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes to an hour, depending on your oven. You can check if it's done by sticking a toothpick or skewer in it. If the toothpick comes out sticky, it's not done. If it's clean, it's ready to get out of the oven. When the cake is done, let it cool down before attempting to cut into it. Thank you for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen. If you did like this video, give us a like and check out our other recipes on our channel. Thank you, bye!